Would you like to know how to reach unlimited prospects for your network marketing business in just 15 seconds per day? What would that mean for your business if you can just get sign-ups and customers enrolled while you sleep or possibly binging Netflix? Hang tight, because in this video I'm going to share exactly what to do. Hi, my name is Wasnt and I help network marketers grow their network marketing business online using attraction marketing, so they never have to chase any strangers randomly on Facebook, and they can create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel, because on here I share a video every single week helping you with your network marketing business. Let me ask you a quick question. How do you feel about new platforms? You know, the new platforms that are popping up, and we all of a sudden as marketers we need to jump on them. So I remember the times when Snapchat came out, Instagram, many network marketers were starting to use Instagram, then TikTok, Clubhouse, all of these platforms started coming up, and you know, there are marketers who always jump in first. And to be honest, I was not one of those people, because I just kind of wanted to like let the trend off, and you know, like, what is the big deal about TikTok? What's the big deal about this Snapchat? And you know, these platforms are like popular when they first start, and then they're not popular anymore. Do you feel the same way? So my son, when he was 6 years old, he actually jumped on TikTok. He was like, "Mom, can I use your account because you're not using it anymore?" I'm like, "Yeah, go ahead." So he started recording these like crazy, silly videos, and I was like, he would ask me, "Hey mom, can you record me in 3x speed? Hey mom, can you do this? Can you do that?" And I would watch his videos, and they were like really awesome. And I'm like, how is the 6-year-old doing all this? You know, they were like fast. First he was doing videos about bow staff, you know, the karate move. So he was like flipping that stick like really, really fast. Then he was like, "Oh, you know, I'm not into that anymore. I'm gonna record a Minecraft video." And he was recording himself playing Minecraft on a high speed, I guess, as well, on a broken tablet. You couldn't even see anything, and that video went viral. And I was like, what is going on? And then now to this day he's like asking me, I'm like, "How did you do that?" He's like, "Oh, I just use like Cup Edit." I'm like, "What's Cup Edit?" So just to tell you, you know, your 6-year-olds know how to use these technologies. And the main reason why I wasn't on TikTok was because I'm like, you know, I'm too old to figure this out. It's gonna go away. But it's not going away. You know, TikTok is like being like chasing all of the other platforms right now. And you know, if my 6-year-old figured out how to use it, I was like, well, you know, maybe I could figure that out too. I remember about a year ago, my mentor Ferny, he said, TikTok is just not something that network marketers can ignore. And you know, if you thought that you had to do like all these dance choreographies and talk or you know, be like young for TikTok, it's really not true. Your videos can go viral with you just pointing fingers at things where as the text pops up, or sharing like simple 3 tips. You don't even have to talk. You don't need to know how to dance. And that sounded like something I could do that. So I just decided I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna give myself 30 days. I'm gonna be consistent for 30 days. I'm going to post 30 days. I started with Reels on Instagram, so it's the same thing, right? Short form video. So here's the reason why I'm sharing this story. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it for 30 days. But then after 30 days passed, I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna keep going, because it wasn't that difficult to create 15-second videos. And after like doing it for about 30 days or so, every day I was getting better. You know, I started with not knowing how to do any edits, how to put 2 clips together. I had no idea. My son had to show me a lot of those things, to be honest. But you know, I just kept going, and all I did was, you know, I'm like, if every day I can like learn a different skill, I see a video and I'm like, how do they do this? I would just YouTube it, and of course there was a tutorial, how you can do this, how you can do that, how you can take the logo out, how you can make your words colorful, how you can make your voice over a music. There's so many tutorials for anything that you want to figure out. So really simple. And just imagine, you know, if you start where you're at, how much you would grow if you just, you know, if you just start where you're at. So 90 days in, I started generating leads and sales like crazy. I would wake up in the morning and I would get like 8 leads and sales in my email inbox. So super qualified for my business. And that would be like while I was sleeping, while I was doing other things, while I was traveling, I was getting all these leads. And I'm like, this is the best strategy ever. So if you haven't figured it out yet, network marketing prospecting machine is a 15-second video. Now there are 3 important things when you are doing your video. Number 1, nobody cares what you look like. So if you are self-conscious about the way you look on camera, really it's all about what you provide, what service you provide, what value you can bring. So don't worry about what you look like. Nobody really cares. I've seen so many examples and so many people like crush it. So once you let go of that, everything is going to be so much easier. Number 2, you cannot get it wrong. With this, you cannot get it wrong. So just start like I started with not knowing anything. You will learn on the way. And then number 3, done is better than perfect. So don't be a perfectionist. You know, as you go, your videos are gonna get better. I always have fun looking at my first videos, my old videos, and I see how far I have come since then. But what would happen if I never started, because I was waiting for that perfect video. So the reason I shared the story about my son is because I don't want you to wait like I did. I want your 2023 to be the best year ever. And you know, decide now that you're gonna go all in with short 15-second video in 2023. And of course, there's the right strategy, because not every strategy works. You cannot just post videos about anything. There is a system that you gotta follow. And I know of a system because it's worked for me. So if you'd like to know more on how to create these 15-second video prospecting machine videos, then click the link below. There is a video that you can watch and learn exactly what 6- and 7-figure earners are doing right now to duplicate to their team to create endless leads and prospects and rank events like crazy. At the time I'm recording this video, there's actually a special offer on this 15-second video prospecting machine, and you can check it out by clicking the button below. But don't wait, because this is very limited offer. And just check it out and see if you can get it on a huge discount. And I look forward to hearing about what you liked about it. If you decided to jump on this with me in 2023 and make this the best year ever for your business. I look forward to hearing from you, and click like if you found value in this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.